goodness. Welcome back, everybody, to Quarantine Time with Annette. Oh my gosh, is this crazy times we're living through or what? I mean, look at all the stuff you gotta go through to just go to the store. You gotta bring gloves. You need a mask. I've got this mask. I've got my homemade mask. I've even gone so far as to take apart the stupid air filter and cut a piece and stick that in my homemade mask just for extra protection. I got my hand sanitizer. I've got a homemade copper zap. Take this thing and stick it in my nose and swish it around like that's really attractive. And let's see what else I got here. Oh, I've been drinking echinacea tea. And every day with the vitamins. Got to build up that immune system, which is actually the inspiration for my new drink today. Because it's packed with vitamin C, and that helps with the immune system. I call it the AntiVirus. And my husband said to me, why don't you call it the cure? I said, I'm not going to call it the cure. If I do that, people drink like 50 of these things, and they're going to wake up tomorrow hungover and diabetic. We can't have that. So, AntiVirus it is. Now, let me just move some stuff out of the way. And I'll show you what's in the drink. I've got a couple different juices here. Cranberry juice, orange juice, pineapple juice. All full of vitamin C and plus a little vitamin BR, Bacardi rum. Okay, let's get started and make this drink. I'm gonna start with a crack open of this Bacardi rum. And we're just gonna pour an ounce into the glass. And then we're gonna do a little bit of cranberry juice, actually equal parts cranberry juice and orange juice. Give it a little shake. Put it in there. And leave a little room at the top for our finishing touch, a little pineapple juice. I'm gonna take my reusable plastic straw, give it a little swirl, add the finishing touch, because why? We're not animals. Garnish your drinks. Happen to have a little fresh pineapple. Put that right there. And now, let's have a taste. Oh my God, it's friggin' delicious. Everybody stay safe out there, and remember, social distancing.